Okay, guys, we are going to review solving equations with this review, or with these notes right here. I'm just going to do 3 problems. They're going to be a little more difficult problems. One of them is actually from the homework, so it'd be really good to watch this. I know this online learning is new, but hopefully when we're just doing review assignments, we'll all do good with this. Please reach out to me if you have questions though, okay? Make sure you have a calculator as we start these notes. I posted a link to a few different apps you can download on your phone if you want to do that, or you can just use your calculator on your phone. Either way is good. So, solving equations, there's a few steps. Let me just remind you of those steps. The first step when you're solving equations is to distribute if you see parentheses. You don't always see parentheses, but if you do, that's your first step, so that's when you have parentheses. Second step is to get, or combine like terms. So that's on the same side, you do it on the left side, and then you do it on the right side of the equal sign. Then you get variables onto the same side. And typically that's on the left. Once you've done that, you add or subtract. And then you multiply or divide. And you should have your answer by that point. So that's the general rules for solving an equation, and hopefully they look familiar to you. This should be pretty easy as we go through this because you guys have solved equations a ton. You got really good at it when we did it at the beginning of the year. Our first problem I want to do with you is this. And if you're taking notes, go ahead and write that problem down. It's just 2 times 3x minus 6 in parentheses plus 4 equals -2. So our first step is to distribute. 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times 6, that makes -12, plus 4 equals -2. So we did our first step of distributing. Second step is to combine like terms. And remember, like terms, that's when they have the same variable, same exponents, or they both don't have a variable and they're on the same side of the equal sign. So on the left side of the equal sign here, we've got these two that we can combine together. Notice this -2 does not combine with it because it's on the right side of the equal sign. So we split that, so we're looking left side. We get 6x, -12 plus 4 is like you owe $12, you have $4, so now you owe $8 once you paid those 4 off. So 6x minus 8 equals -2. Okay, we don't need to get the variables on the same side because they already are. So we're on to step 4 where we add 8. -2 plus 8 is 6. We divide by 6, and x equals 1. Okay, and there's our first example. I'm going to do 2 more with you. Example number 2 is this. 3 times x plus 1 equals 3x plus 3. And this is actually going to be a pretty quick one. Go ahead and write it down. And we distribute the 3 in. 3 times x makes 3x. 3 times 1 makes 3. Notice, left side and right side are the same thing. So step 2 is combine like terms. On the left side of my equal sign, there's nothing to combine. Same thing on the right side. Here to the step where we get variables to the same side. And this is where it gets weird, because the x's went away on both the left side and the right side, so we're left with 3 equals 3, which is true. 3 does equal 3. If you want to take it a step further, you can. Subtract 3 from both sides. Oh, both of those are gone. Well, if 0 equals 0. That's still a true statement. So what that means is all numbers would work. If I plug any number in here and here, that same number, you get a true statement, because it's the same thing on the left side and the right side. So what that means is infinite solutions or all real numbers. And I think when you have one on the assignment, you'll have multiple choice on it, and the answer will say all real numbers. If you don't see that, you'll see infinitely many solutions. So that's the two options for how to answer this question, where you get a true statement at the end. 0 does equal 0. If you get a false statement, it would be no solution, because whatever you have down here isn't true, so it's not going to work out for us. There is no solution. Okay, final one for this video is this problem. You'll notice there is a fraction in it. It is identical to problem number 8 on your homework online. So copy it down. And the first thing I like to do when I see fractions is change them into decimals if it's a nice decimal. If it's a repeating or irrational, or sorry, ugly decimal, you can't change it. But this one is 0.5, so I'm going to change that. Make this a 0.5. So 0.5 right there. Distribute the 3 in. We get 3n plus 12. And distribute the 0.5 in. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 4 is 2. So we get 3n plus 12 equals 3n plus 2. So I don't have anything to combine on the left side, nothing to combine on the right side, which means I am to the step where I'm going to subtract 3n. And look at that, they went away. And this time we're not left with a true statement. 12 does not equal 2. So you can stop right there. If you want to, you can go a further step and get 10 equals 0. That's still false. So on the last problem, we got 3 equals 3, or 0 equals 0. That was a true statement. This one is a false statement, so it's no solution, or no soul, or this symbol. I think on the homework it will say no solution. Okay, if this is not enough review for you, I've got another link posted to a Khan Academy video. You can watch that. You can just Google solving equations and you'll get all sorts of tutorials, or just email me and let me know you're struggling with it. You guys need to do the Big Ideas math homework that's associated with solving equations. It's 8 problems long, so it won't take you very long to get it done. And this number 3 that I just did is the last problem on that assignment. So you already have one problem done.